Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Skout. If you are a Skout user and you've received some kind of a conversation from people that you no longer wanted to appear on your conversation list, then you can delete your messages on Skout that you received easily. Simply tap open your Skout application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you are, go and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, from the chat screen, tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner. If you want to delete any conversation or messages on Skout, you'll simply need to delete all the conversations that you have made with a particular person. Now from the list of the conversation, select any conversation that you want to delete, and right next to the conversation, you'll be able to see a delete button. Tap it on and you'll be able to remove any messages that you no longer want to appear on your Skout chat screen. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to delete a conversation or message on Skout. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.